Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on save and fill payment info on the Google Chrome mobile app. So if you want to enable the saving of payment methods on the app for iOS and Android devices, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon in the top right corner of the browser here. And you want to go down and select the settings gear button. And now you want to go underneath basics where it says payment methods. So go ahead and select payment methods here. And where it says save and fill payment methods, fills in payment forms with your saved payment methods. Turn this on or off by just clicking inside the oval one time. If it's lit up blue, it means it will be enabled. If it's grayed out, it means it's disabled. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.